little bit of trivia. Did you know that Colorado Dragon Boat is the largest in the United States? Yeah, isn't that wonderful? And it's because of everybody performing, the vendors, Dragon Boat Committee, and especially all of you for attending this wonderful event. So thank you very much. At 8:45, there's going to be the drone show, and we're really looking forward to being the background and playing. So what we're going to do tonight is we're going to play a series of our pieces. And so this will be the last time that I'll be talking tonight. But afterwards, if you have any questions or anything, you're welcome. Come up and talk to us after the whole show. So again, thank you very, very much, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the evening.
No air traffic.
10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guns are going up. We are just about 14 minutes out from show landing.